Alright, we can find special products by using what's called the FOIL method, and I highlighted the FOIL method and what each term, F standing for the first term in each binomial, O standing for the outside term, I standing for the inside, and L standing for the last or second term in the binomial. So we can use the FOIL method to do these special products, and special products are multiplication. This is multiplication when we have just 2 and 2. So what we're going to do is do the FOIL method. So I'm going to take my first term times my first term. So x times x is x squared. Then I'm going to take my outside, which is this outside to this outside binomial, 4 times x, which is plus 4x. And I'm going to do the inside, do the same exact thing, 3 times x, which is 3x. Then I'm going to do my last terms, which is the 3 and the 4. So that gives me a plus 12. From here, we can combine all like terms. So these two are like terms. So my final answer would be x squared plus 7x, because 4 plus 3x, 7x plus 12. And this would be my answer after like terms are combined. So we're multiplying and then combining like terms. Special products that we sometimes mess up is this x plus 3 to the square, which really means x plus 3 times x plus 3. If you write this out, this is just a FOIL problem. So I can take my first term times my first term, which is x squared. Then I can take my inside term, oops, my fault, let me go back and erase that part of it. So my first term, so then my outside term, x times the 3 is 3x. And my inside term, which is also 3x. And then I can take my last terms, 3 times 3, which is 9. And if I combine my like terms, these two are like terms, I end up with x squared plus 6x plus 9. And so there's my answer. So you just have to understand what the square means. That'll do the problem. So let's do the next one. If we have 3x plus 7 times 3x plus 7, we can go through the process of first term times first term. In this case, it's 9x squared. Our inside term, hold on a second, we don't want the inside term there. We want to do the outside term. So our outside, 3x times 7 is 21x. And inside times inside is also 21x. And then our last term, 7 times 7 is 49. And so this problem, let me get rid of this part right here, plus 9. And now I can combine my like terms. So I get 9x squared plus 42x plus 49. And there is my answer for that one.